Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Shein, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Shein. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel an order on Shein? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you made a purchase, but then you decided it's probably not going to fit you. Or maybe you made a purchase on Shein and you just don't like the style. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's all handled here in the app. It's this white and black one called Shein. If you don't have the app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Shein app. This is the home screen, but if you want to go ahead and cancel an order in Shein, what you want to do is go ahead and find where the order's at. So they have orders that are unpaid, processing, shipped, and returns. So for me, I just have one order processing right now, so I'm going to go ahead and click right here. Okay, guys, I went ahead and pulled up my order, and this is the Shein order form. But if you're looking how to cancel an order in Shein, you make it pretty easy. You just click on this little button here called Cancel Order. I'm going to click there now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this warning saying that if you request this order to be canceled, we will be unable to recover it. Would you still like to cancel? So basically, if you cancel by clicking on this button, then the order is gone. You would need to reorder if you wish to purchase this item. For me, that's okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click yes. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, this cancel order screen pops up, and then you're going to get two options if you want to cancel a Shein order. So once they cancel, this refund amount is going to either go into my wallet. So that's more like a gift card on Shein, so you can use that. They say within 24 hours it should be processed. Or you can process the refund onto your payment account. So your payment account is whatever payment method that you used when you purchased on Shein. For me personally, I want to go ahead and put it back on my payment method. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you do get this warning saying it could take 7 to 14 business days for that money to be added back into your payment method. And that depends on Shein along with your banking institution. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you're canceling the order, you want the money available immediately. It's not going to happen when you're going to cancel a Shein order. For me, that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the reason that I'm canceling. So let me click there. So next you want to choose what type of reason you are canceling this order. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click don't want it. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there. If all of that looks good, you want to go ahead and click submit. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and canceled the order, and you can see that it has been successfully submitted. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can cancel an order on Shein. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.